Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Nvidia installation error 0xe60000. So if you're stuck during Nvidia's setup or your driver installation keeps failing, follow along step by step to solve it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your Start menu and search for Settings, then click on it. Once the Settings window opens, look on the left side bottom and tap on Windows Update. Now this step is very important. You need to make sure your system is fully updated. So click on Check for Updates and install everything available. This helps prevent compatibility issues during Nvidia installation. Once your Windows is fully up to date, go back to your Start menu again and search for Control Panel, then open it. At the top right, change View By to Large Icons, then find and click on Programs and Features. Now scroll through the list and look for anything related to Nvidia. You'll need to uninstall all Nvidia applications one by one. Just select each Nvidia program, click Uninstall, and follow the steps on your screen to remove it completely. Make sure you uninstall every Nvidia-related app you see. After that, restart your computer to fully apply the changes. Once your PC boots back up, open the Start menu again and search for Task Manager, then open it. In Task Manager, use the search or scroll through the processes and type Nvidia. If everything worked correctly, you shouldn't see any Nvidia processes running anymore. But if you do see one, just right-click it and select End Task. Now we're going to reinstall Nvidia the correct way. Open your web browser and search for Nvidia App Download, then click on the official Nvidia website at the top. Click on Download Now and install the official Nvidia app. If you were previously using GeForce Experience, you can install that instead, but the new Nvidia app is the updated version. It's faster, more stable, and comes with more features for managing your drivers and settings. Once it's installed, try running the setup again, and this error should now be completely fixed. And that's it.